Hello students, so today we are going to start the new topic, that is division of polynomials. Okay, so this topic we have already done in class 7 also. So while dividing we have many types of division. Okay, so first in case of polynomial especially, so first we can divide a monomial by monomial. Okay, then we can divide a polynomial by a monomial. Then we can divide a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, so these are the kinds. So first we'll move to page number 85, exercise 5.2. In question number 1 we have to divide, and in A you can see we have to divide this 32a square b square c square, which is a monomial, isn't it? Because it has only one term. Why only one term? Because there is no plus and minus sign separating the terms, by 8a square c, which is also a monomial. So you have to divide this monomial by this monomial. Okay, so this is equals to 32a square b square c square by 8a square c. Okay, so this means division, right? Next then you can cancel 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32. Okay, so in case of coefficient constant you will get 4. So from here a square also you can cancel, isn't it? Now means a square is not there. Now b square, here we have c, so this c, here we have c square, so here we have power 2, here we have power 1. So according to the law of exponents, c square by c is how much? C to the power 2 minus 1, that is c to the power 1, or simply c, isn't it? So this means c only. B square will remain as it is. From here what will come? C. So what is the answer? 4b square c, isn't it? So we'll do question number B now. So 28 mn cube r square by 7mn square r. This is the question number B. Okay, so this means 28 mn cube r square by 7mn square r. Okay, so 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. So from here constant 4, this m and m will be cancelled, isn't it? Now n cube by n square is how much? N to the power 3 minus 2, that is n to the power 1, means n only. Here also r square by r is how much? R to the power 2 minus 1, that is r. So what is the answer? 4nr. Okay, next number C, we have 15p cube minus 20p square plus 5p. You have to divide by minus 5p. See, here we have trinomial, that is a polynomial, isn't it? Polynomial by a monomial. This one is monomial. Okay, so let me divide. So in this case what you have to do is, this means 15p cube minus 20p square plus 5p divided by minus 5p, isn't it? Okay, so in this case what you have to do, if there is monomial in the denominator, you can give to each and every term. You have to give minus 5p to each and every term, means 15p cube by minus 5p, means you have to divide each and every term by minus 5p. Okay, so here we have minus, you have to divide 20p square by minus 5p. Okay, and again you have to divide plus 5p by minus 5p. Okay, this. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so how much will you get here? 3 by 1 is how much? 3 only, simply, isn't it? But this minus sign is there, so minus 3. P cube by p is how much? P cube by p is how much? P to the power 3. This will go up as minus 1, so p square, isn't it? Okay, so minus, from here 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Okay, that is 4. So p square by p is how much? P, but this minus sign is there. Okay, plus this is 5 ones 5, 5 ones 5, p is also cancelled. So what will remain here? Minus 1. Don't forget the sign, okay? So now we'll open the bracket. So this is minus 3p square. Here we have minus, here also we have minus. Minus into minus, plus 4p. Then here plus into minus, minus 1. So what is the answer? It is 3p square plus 4p minus 1 is your answer, okay? So in similar way you can do question number D, number 1D, and question number 2 A, B, C and D as your homework, okay? So question number D from 1 and question number 2 A, B, C and D are your homeworks. Then now we will now move to the next question, that is question number 3, okay? And we have divide by the long division method, okay? So in this case here we have a polynomial divided by a binomial, okay? So this means you have in this case you cannot you don't need to separate the LCM, like separate here like we did. We gave this minus 5p to all, isn't it? But in this case you have to divide by a long division method, okay? So in this case what you have to do is you have to see the power of the variables, okay? So first, that means what will come in the quotient first, okay? So for that you have to see the term with highest power in the dividend. So which one is the term with the highest power? What is the highest power of the variable here? X square. Square is the highest power, isn't it? So this one. So term with highest power is x square. So x square. So you have to divide this by term with highest power in the divisor. So which one is the term with the highest power? Here the power of variable is 1, here the power of variable is 0 because it is constant, isn't it? So you have to divide by this term, that is x. So how much will you get? So you have to, here you will get x. So with this x you have to multiply both of this. So x into x, x square, plus into plus, plus 5 into x, 5x, okay? So now we have to subtract, isn't it? So while subtracting, what will happen? The sign will be changed, okay? So here it was plus, it will become minus. Here also it was plus, it will become minus, okay? So plus x square minus x square will be cancelled, okay? So now plus into minus, minus, that means you have to subtract. So 10 minus 5, 5x. So what will be the sign here? The sign will be plus only because 10 is greater than 5 and it has plus sign, okay? So this will come down. So what will you do now? You will again see the term with highest power here now. What is the term with highest power? Here the power of x is 0, here it is 1. So the term with highest power is 5x, okay? Then you will divide it by x, okay? So x will be cancelled, you will get plus 5. So with this plus 5 you have to multiply this. X into 5, 5x, plus into plus, plus 5 into 5, 25. So now you have to subtract. So the sign will be changed, isn't it? So 5x minus 5x cancel, 25 minus 25 cancel. So what will be the remainder? 0, okay? So this is how you will divide, okay? Now similarly you can do question number we'll do now question number B. So 14x square minus 5x minus 24 by 2x minus 3, okay? So let us divide. So with 2x minus 3 you have to divide 14x square minus 5x minus 24. So first what will come in the quotient here? What will be the first term of the quotient? That will be determined by the term with highest power in the dividend. Which one is the highest power? 2 is the highest power here. So term with highest power is 14x square, isn't it? Divided by the term with highest power in the divisor is here 2x. So it will be 2 7s out of this x square by x is x, isn't it? So how much will you get? With 7x you have to multiply. So 2x into 7x, 2 7s 14x into x, x square, okay? Then minus into plus, minus 3 7s 21x, okay? Then you have to subtract. So if you subtract you will get this and this will be cancelled, isn't it? So minus into plus. Now for 21x, minus is no longer sign for 21x. Now it has changed to plus. So this one is plus. So plus into minus, minus. That means you have to subtract, isn't it? So 21x minus 5x is 16x. Okay. And sign will be of greater one. Which one is greater? 21. And what is the sign for 21? Plus. Not minus. Okay. It has changed to plus. So it will be plus only. Now minus 24 will come down, isn't it? So next you have to divide 16x by 2x, isn't it? Because term with highest power is 16x. Here the term with highest power is 2x. So x and x will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So I have to multiply with plus 8. Okay. So 2 into 8, 16x minus into plus minus 3 8s are 24. Now you have to subtract. So this will be minus, this will be plus. So plus 16x minus 16x cancel. Minus 24 plus 24 also cancel. Okay. So the remainder is 0. Okay. So this is how you have to divide. So in similar way you can do question number C and D also as your homework. Okay. So in the next class we will do the remaining sums from this exercise. Okay.